I'm going to tell you about PowerLogic Hybrid PQ Solutions in 60 seconds. It's a reality. Modern electrical networks are more dynamic than ever, creating multiple power quality challenges that are difficult to anticipate and potentially costly to resolve. Fortunately, there's an approach combining PowerLogic active and passive technologies that is both effective and economical. PowerLogic Hybrid PQ Solutions. When installed together, they work in tandem to correct power factor, mitigate harmonics, and keep the network balanced. The capacitor banks address power factor for base load levels, while the AccuSine platform filters harmonics, corrects network unbalance, and provides fine-tuning to maintain unity power factor. Both PowerLogic AccuSine and PowerLogic PFC offers are UL and IEC certified, ensuring safe, reliable results, whether your installation is commercial, industrial, or critical infrastructure. It's the best of both worlds: scalable, flexible, adaptable. That's PowerLogic Hybrid PQ Solutions in 60 seconds.